Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of HTML chapter number 25, inserting images and lists in a web page chapter. In that we are going to see the Intext questions 25.2 and the terminal exercise of this particular chapter. To find other videos of the same chapter for NIOS senior secondary courses, check in the playlist. Also you have English content, maths content and other grammar of English. We are going to see Intext question 25.2. First one is fill in the blanks. In an blank, each item is preceded by a sequence number. So it means for what kind of list we are dealing with, the list topics. So in what kind of list each item has a number, that means it is ordered list. Next question B. Blank tag is used to create an unordered list. So the tag that we use for creating this unordered list is UL. Next question C. Blank tag is used to insert item in an ordered or unordered list. So list items, LI tag helps in doing that. By default, an ordered list starts with sequence number. So ordered list, usually the sequence number is 1. Using blank attribute, we can change the bullet types in an ordered list. So this type attribute where you can change the bullet type to disk or square. Next question, it is to state whether the statements are true or false. First one is DT tag is used to start a definition list. So DT is used to start a definition list, that is true. Next one is type attribute can be used with OL and UL, that is ordered list and unordered list. That is also true. It specifies what type of numbers you want to include, and this helps in including the shapes that you want to give before your list, square or circle, like that. We can nest an ordered list in an unordered list. That means, example, let it be fruits. Okay, and after that you just want to write apple, banana and kiwi, like that. So this is a kind of example that is possible using your HTML code. Ordered list cannot be nested in a definition list. So it's saying it is not possible, but it's possible. So this statement is false. This statement is true. Start attribute is used with OL tag. So ordered list tag can use start to identify from which number you need to start your sequence. Next topic is terminal exercise. So let's see the questions from this terminal exercise, that is, name any 5 digital file formats. Which are they? 5 digital file formats are these: JPEG, GIF, EXIF, TIFF, RIF, PNG, BMP. We have seen the following file formats suitable: JPG, GIF, PNG. So this you can find in the text itself, the textbook. There JPG file format is for photographs where you have got lots of colors. GIF file format is for few colors where you can use logos, pencil drawings and all, where not much colors are used. PNG file format uses the same lossless reduction. That means when you reduce the size of your file, nothing is lost. It stores all the things as such. Clarity, everything. Which tag is used to insert images in a web page? How do we specify which images is to be inserted? So third question is, the tag that we use to insert images in your web page is img tag. And how do we specify which image to be inserted? It is the source attribute to be used, where it takes the URL of the image or from where you have stored the image, and based on that it will take the image from there. We have already done the practical version of these type of questions in our previous videos, so do go and check it out there. Everything is clearly mentioned there. Next three questions we are going to see. Is it possible to change the display size of the image? Next question says, what happens if the image to be displayed in the web page is not available? So, and what is the use of this alt attribute? So alt attribute helps in displaying the image or an alternate text instead of that image. If the image is not available. Next question is, what are the different possible values of align attribute for the image tag? What are their effects? So these three questions are related to img tag, where we will be seeing an example from w3schools.com and how this works. Let's see it. Given to you for HTML, where you are executing it and you are getting an image like this. And the first question asked, how do you change the size of the image? So with the option width and height, these two attributes of img tag. Img tag has width and height as the attribute, and if you change the values of these width and height, automatically the image size will get reduced or increased. So I'm going to change it to 200 width and the height becomes 700 according to my wish. You can change it according to your wish, and I'm going to execute this. So see the change that is happening right here on the right hand side. Execute it. You can check here, the image size has reduced because of this particular change that we have made in the width and height attribute. Next question was, what is the use of alternate tag and what you do if a particular image is not available? So in that case, let's check this. Here name of the image is given to you, the particular image name is given. So if I make a change in the image's name, a wrongly spelled name, the image won't be available. Okay, in that case, this alt attribute will help the image to appear with a text, girl in a jacket. Okay, so let's execute this and see what happens. You can see here on the right side, girl in a jacket text is being displayed without an image. So when the image is not available, like this thing comes because of this alt attribute. That is the answer of your next question. And the final question, that is the sixth questions, ask, what are the different possible values of align attribute of img tag, and what does this align tag does? So we have used align tag also here, and it was given as right. So if I can change it to different positions, right, left. So this time I'm giving left. Okay, and I'm going to change the image also to girl and execute it. So what happens? The image appears on the left hand side. So these three questions are answered, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's check the next one. What are the different types of lists that can be inserted in a web page? So already we have discussed these questions. Different types of lists are ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. We have seen how the code works. Do go and check it out in the previous videos. You'll get a better idea there. Next question is question that is, write an HTML code to create the following list. So this is the list given to you where you have streams. 4 different streams are given here with a number. On the left, the numbers or the sequence are mentioned. So this list is an ordered list. This is stream, and this is also non-ordered. So stream and subject of non-medical science comes under unordered list. This should be an unordered list. Inside that, this non-medical science, medical science, commerce, humanities, all this comes under ordered list. And again, if you see, check this one, these are also unordered list with bullets. So the type basically will be of disk. Okay, so execute this unordered list of streams, then inside that go for ordered list, and then it will be nested list. Then comes again an ordered list of subjects, then different subjects are mentioned with this type of disks. Okay, hope you understood. By this, the Intext question and terminal exercise is all completed for this chapter 25. If you have got doubts, do comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the upcoming videos.